Hello class, hi there.
Hi Louis, how are you?
Very good, you?
I'm good too. Do you know about Transformers?
I sure do.
So there's a giant robots that turn into cars.
No, that's not what I had in mind. I was thinking, the cylinder on electric posts that reduces voltage.
Oh yeah, those are important.
Yes, very important. Also the kind of stuff we study here. Physics 212, not robots.
But do you know how they work?
The normal transformer.
The normal transformer.
Yes, I do know how those works. But maybe you can show me?
Oh yeah, sure. So you will need the AC current, which is the current that's supplied by the power companies nowadays.
Yeah, so we always get 120 volt, 60 hertz from the power companies. Okay, so I have that.
So the transformers consist of two coils of wire wrapped around iron cores.
Okay.
So on the left side here, I have the primary coil, and on the right side here, I have the secondary coil.
Oh, I see. It's pretty cool. So I see. So you have an alternating current, and this is just a coil like a solenoid. And then the alternating current changing direction will generate a magnetic field, which will constantly change direction because the current is constantly changing direction. And then the magnetic field, I guess, goes into the core, and then we'll go into the iron core, then we'll go into the secondary coil, and then we have a changing magnetic field at secondary, so that will induce a current by Faraday's law. Well, that's neat. So you can pass the current from the primary and the secondary, even though they're not touching, you will induce a current. Cool. So, okay, great. And so do you have something to show me? Or?
Yeah. So here we have three sets of transformers.
Oh, I see. With filament bulbs.
Yes.
Okay. And I guess this first one here, so this is, I guess, what's probably 440 turns. And this one and 440 turn on the left and 440 turn on the right. So this is just the same, right?
Yes.
So okay, so that's going to be a one-to-one transformer. And we can turn it on. Okay. So this is amazing already. Okay, this is a filament light bulb. I'm sending a voltage in the primary, and then there's no wire touching that directly go from the light bulb to the power source. It's only an iron core. It's the magnetic field that's lighting this up. Pretty cool. Okay, and then here I guess then there's yellow is 880, so that's our primary. So now I have 880 turns on this side of the iron core, and I have 440 on the right side. So I'm stepping down, I guess. I go from 800 turn to 400 turn, so what will that do?
That's pretty dim.
Yeah, I guess we lowered the voltage. That's a step down transformer. That's the one that's in electric posts, not robots. That's the one that reduces the voltage and brings it down to normal value for your houses. Okay, and then what's the last one?
The last one will be the step up transformer.
Right, because now we have 440 turns on the primary and then 880 turn on the secondary. So now I have more voltage on the secondary, so I can boost the voltage. It's crazy. Am I losing energy or creating energy?
No, you're not.
The current is changing too, probably. But anyway, so let's see. Yeah, now I can light up two light bulbs at the same brightness as the first one. Let's turn on the first one. But now two, because I step up the voltage. Great. Pretty neat. I mean, this is better than robots. I think physics works. It's amazing.